Meeting is now being recorded.
The SAP Online Banking Solution is the digital component of the SAP Banking Suite of products. It provides the ability for the banks to move the users from a branch banking experience to a digital channel banking experience. This retail banking offering comes in the web version as well as in the iPhone and iPad version, offering the same look and feel and the same user experience for each and every user of the bank. To start off with, when the user lands on the page, he sees a summary of all his accounts which are there, both internal as well as external accounts, showing the various balances which are there. The screen can be modified as per the requirement of the bank and also has got the capacity to be adjusted as per the user's wish. All the functionality that is present on the screen is presented as per portlets, and depending on which of the features the user wants, they can actually enable or disable it by just a click of the button. The user also has the option to change the layout of the screen as per his convenience, from, as for example, a one column to a second column, two column layout. The online banking application also provides the ability to create certain shortcuts, which are basically the most commonly used functions within the application, which something like the messages that the user has exchanged with the bank, or any kinds of tools which are there, any kinds of alerts which the bank user might have seen. Combining with other SAP solutions like real-time offer management, the application also provides the ability to cross-sell and upsell certain other products which the bank might have in the inclusive real estate of the online banking solution. Here you could see the application where, based on the balance of the user, the bank thinks it is appropriate for him to be qualifying for a platinum credit card, and so on and so forth. As per his application, he can have the ability to manage his accounts and manage any payments, transfers, etc. which are there. So for his account management, the application provides him one point application to manage all the transactions within his account, to initiate transaction, to stop any kind of transaction, to view a history of all the transactions that have been made on the account in the past time frame that is defined by the user. The user can then select the account for which he wants to check the history. He can then select the time range as per his requirement, or can select any predefined time range and view the transaction, and also can export the transaction to store and view in the next time when he's available. The system also provides the user the ability to view online statements and also to do any kind of transaction search or image search for checks that have been deposited or any kind of image that has been attached with the transaction. In the payments and transfers, the application provides the ability to transfer funds within the bank or outside the bank, depending on the ultimate beneficiary. The user is provided an option to also create templates which are kind of predefined or pre-populated source and destination accounts, along with the amounts which the user will go ahead and populate every time for the similar transaction. That provides a lot of convenience to the user and gives him additional time as well as an ability to go ahead and make the payment. Another of the options provided under payments and transfers is the ability to load the templates which are stored as well as created, and the user can select predefined from account or the destination account along with the amount and predefined date. These come in handy when a lot of transactions have to be done, and the only thing that varies is probably the date. Okay, the user can initiate a single time transactions or unlimited transactions equivalent to setting up of direct debits. Okay. The user also has the option of bill payment. Now, these billers could be utility companies in the country, like something like a gas and electricity company, cable TV providers, or telephone operators, etc. And they can have an association with the bank where these utility companies will provide or present the bill to the users at bank, and the bank will then position these bills for immediate payment by the user through the online banking channel. The users can go ahead and then use the billers which have been provided by the bank, or can also make one-time payment to certain billers which have not been provided by the bank, in which case the bank then needs to have direct connectivity to that particular biller. So the option is very open. It all depends on what the user, on what the flexibility the bank provides. The beauty of the SAP online banking solution is it comes in the it comes as in the web version as well as the iPhone and the tablet version, but every time providing the same user experience. So what you see on the web channel is the same thing that you see on the iPhone or the iPad channel, and still the user experience is the same. So all in all, a completely multi-channel experience. The solution also is a totally multilingual as well as a multi-tenant and a multi-currency transaction, which has been helping banks across the globe, right from the Americas to Australia, and helping banks achieve a lot of benefits. Thank you.